I want you to take a moment and imagine making $700 per day online. That is simply by copy the links of trending stories or news articles. And I'm not talking about copying the article, just the link, the URL, and pasting that link into a user-friendly app that automatically generates video about that trend in topic in just minutes. I know it sounds too good to be true, and I thought so as well until this moment. Now, to prove to you that videos like these are going viral on YouTube, take this faceless video as an example, which was on a trending topic in the news when it was actually posted some months ago. The video got over 2.7 million views in just 3 months. The channel has been around for only 2 years and it's all about trending videos like the ones I'm going to show you how to create by simply copying a link and pasting it, not by doing research, getting footage from all over the place, putting it together, finding a voiceover. We are not doing any of that. It's too complicated. We are going to be copying and pasting a link, and here's what's amazing about these kind of videos. Videos on trending topics and news, they tend to go viral very quickly and at a rate of about $5 per thousand views, which is typical of channels like these. The channel is making $700 per day. In this video, I'll share 3 simple steps, the secret to how to use Google and AI to create viral or trending topic videos in few minutes with no recording, no editing, and that do not require you to show your face or to use your own voice. If that's the option you want to explore, this copy and paste strategy is so simple. So here is step 1, and this is how to source your content. The first source is Google News, and Google News is actually a news aggregate service which is created by obviously Google that uses algorithm to select news stories from a various number of news websites and blogs out there. Now to get started, just Google News, and then you select the option at the top of the page that comes up in the list, and as you can see here, there are many trending topics under each section. By selecting any one of these topics, it will take you to an entire article that's related to that particular topic. Now the second source is going to be the Google Trends, and Google Trends is a website by Google again that analyzes the popularity of the top search queries in Google search across various regions and also various languages. So if you want to know if a topic is being searched for or if a topic is going viral, Google Trend is an ideal tool to use too. Google Trend is an ideal tool to use to get this information. Just Google Trends to get started, and by selecting trending now from the menu and then daily search trends, you'll actually see the volume of searches for various topics. Let's create our first video using Google Trends. We are going to use Google News later, so hang tight on the Google Trend homepage. You are going to select your location of choice as I am doing here, and for this particular tutorial we are going to select the US as an example. Click trending topic, and you are going to do this from the menu. To see most current news, I do recommend that you choose a trending topic with 100,000 searches or more, because the virality of that topic or the video that you are going to create, it's going to increase from a probability perspective now from the topics that are trending. When I was creating this video, I am going to choose Barcelona versus PSG, the Champions League showdown, with 500,000 plus searches, which means it's definitely a trending topic because a lot of people are searching for it. And you know what the best part is about using this strategy to create content, you don't have to be an expert on the topic. For today's tutorial, I'm going to choose this article that was posted on ESPN Deport. So to create the video, you are just going to copy right here, and that's the link for the article. So let's click on it as I'm doing here and copy the link, and the tool that we are going to use to create our faceless video with just the link is InVideo AI. After landing on the InVideo homepage, from the workflow options, you are going to select Explore All as I am doing here, and then select Recent Event Video from the menu. You are now going to paste the link that we copied from Google Trend. Remember, just the URL, and you're going to paste it in the InVideo AI tool right here where it says search the news, and also check, just copy it and paste it right there where it says create a recent video about. You are going to go back to the article on Google Trends, and you're going to copy the title that there we are not coming up with anything new here, and we are going to paste it right here in InVideo AI. For voiceover, you can clone your own voice or you can use InVideo own AI voice generator. So let's add subtitles articles and click continue. And then select generate a video to get started. Now you will be prompted by InVideo AI to choose your audience, which we are going to go with the default prompts or the default recommendations that InVideo is giving us. And within minutes, you will be automatically turn the link from the article into a professional video that is ready to be posted on any platform out there, especially YouTube. And just like that, you would have created your first trending topic video. Let's play it so you can see the magic of this InVideo AI tool.
Did the recent Barcelona versus PSG match leave you on the edge of your seat? Unfolding like a thrilling novel, the match was a roller coaster ride of emotions. In the UEFA Champions League quarterfinals, Barcelona, under Xavi's guidance, showed their mettle, proving once again that they are a force to be reckoned with. Maintaining an undefeated streak in their last 13 matches, they demonstrated defensive strength and tactical brilliance. However, they were missing key players Sergi Roberto and Andreas Christensen, who were suspended. On the other side of the pitch, PSG, still smarting from a 3-2 loss in the first leg, were on a mission of revenge. The return of Hakimi added a boost to their lineup, and they were on the hunt for a spot in the coveted top 4 of Europe. The tension was palpable on Tuesday, April 16th, as the teams faced off. The stakes were high, the pressure was on, and the world was watching. Throughout the match, both teams showcased their skills, their strategies, and their unyielding determination. Every pass, every goal attempt, every save was a testament to their dedication and their relentless pursuit of victory. Barcelona's defensive solidity was a highlight of the match, a testament to their undying spirit and tactical acumen. Despite the absence of key players, they held their ground, displaying an impressive level of resilience and resourcefulness. Meanwhile, PSG, with the return of Hakimi, demonstrated an aggressive offensive strategy. They were relentless in their pursuit of goals, creating numerous opportunities and keeping their opponents on their toes. As the final whistle blew, it was clear that this was a match that would be remembered for years to come. Both teams had given their all, fighting tooth and nail for every ball, every goal, and ultimately for victory. In summary, the Barcelona versus PSG match was a spectacle of skill, strategy, and sheer determination. Both teams showcased their strengths, overcame their weaknesses, and fought with everything they had. It was a match that reminded us why we love football, for its unpredictability, its excitement, and its ability to bring us together in shared anticipation and joy.
So here you see it, guys, the video is generated absolutely free, but are you worried about the watermark? Just watch this video on how to remove watermark from video for free and thanks me later. If you are only doing one video per day, your channel has the potential to go viral because it's trending topics now. $700 equates to about $21,000 per month, and this is not going to happen overnight, although it did for that channel that I showed you earlier. There is no doubt that $21,000 a month can replace 90% of the 95 jobs out there. So to make life-changing money, you are going to have to take life-changing steps as well. So that's it, guys. If you learned anything of value in this video, I would really appreciate you like it. And remember, if you're not yet a part of the family, just hit subscribe. See you in the next one.